What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Tyler Creates YouTube channel. My name's Tyler. Hope you all are having a blessed day. In today's video, it's going to be kind of a short one. I'm going to be installing the washer bottle / tank. They go by a couple different terms in the 77 F250. I haven't uploaded. I didn't upload last week. Computer went down midway through the week. Power supply went out. Got a bigger power supply. Yada yada yada. This is like one of the last things I have to install, and it's been sitting on the shelf for like months, like maybe even a year. I do have the washer bottle right here. Hope y'all like the thumbnail. Trying to get me and the content more. Here's the washer bottle right here. Got the top pops open. You got the filament screen in there. You have the the two mounting spots in the 77 in the Ford 77 trucks. I think this is all the same in like F100s and everything, but you also got this one down here. This is the outlet for pressurized water. This is the washer pump. I will have a link to this down in the description. I did actually have to silicone this, and I tried heating it up. You can kind of see where I heated it. Let's see here. You can kind of see it. So what was happening is this top was not fitting. It was popping off. Well, the issue with that is if you're going down the road and water sloshing, it could slosh and pop the top off, lose the top, lose all your water. You might think you blew your radiator. Could cause an accident if you were unprepared enough and it splashed all over everything. So I siliconed it, a little bead of silicone around it, put it on there, and I used some clamps and just lightly, just pressed it too, and it definitely doesn't come off now. So the pump I got was 19 bucks, I think, $19.99, $20 off eBay, and it was just some rando pump. Pretty good stuff. My washer bottle is a little cracked out and a little in worse for wear shape. Some other stuff that I got here, the F fitting. There's an F fitting on the cab mount on the cowl up there. Went and got this guy here I think I got it from O'Reilly's. I'm not affiliated with O'Reilly's in any way. They do have stuff in a pinch though. These things can be hard to find. Basically what this does is inlet from the pump splits it to both window washers. So we're gonna install all this, and it should be pretty straightforward, honestly. So hopefully I can get the video over 10 minutes so I can put ads on it when I reach 1,000 subscribers. If you are new and watching this, head over to the channel. I got a whole bunch more content on my 77 F250, my 2000 V6 Mustang, and my 1987 Audi 5000. I don't know if the Audi will be making a return or not. I got the Mustang out right here. Haven't done much to it. I washed it. It for sure will be making a return. And of course this. And I also have a 1950s Massey Harris / Ferguson combine for harvesting crops that I'm currently restoring, and a GT 6000 garden tractor lawnmower deal. And I'm always doing something new. My channel is a channel where you don't know what you're gonna get. So hopefully y'all enjoy this video, and hopefully it helps somebody out. So we're gonna jump right into it. All that said, if you're liking the content so far, and if you happen to, like me, think I'm doing okay, looking at my cat, subscribe, and for sure drop a like. Helps me out more than you could ever imagine right now with the algorithm being so whack. I think you get some confetti if you smash the like button. Let's get into it. Okay. Alrighty everyone, I'm a little dark, but that's okay. The F fitting on the 77, so the washer mount will mount right here below the brake caliper, or the brake reservoir. The little F fitting is right here. So it comes in and then diverts and goes that way. Those can be dry rotted sometimes, and they can be, well, for lack of a better term, junk. But mine appear to be nice and flimsy and good to go. Just to show you guys a little difference, this is the old one that has the hole in it. That's the part that broke off. This is the new one. I'll probably just end up setting the screw just lightly on top of it. You can see they are quite a different size, but I think it'll work because rubber stretches pretty good. So maybe 4 of those. Nope, 10/16. Okay. Alrighty everybody, next, this just goes right here. So, you should be able to, let's see. Well, you should be able to, I still got the Ford bean cans on there as well. Y'all don't worry about that. I wonder if man, I must have really moved something here. Why are these so in the road all of a sudden? That's odd. Holy smokes, man, what's going on here? Wait a second. How is this so in the road? What? Hold on, I gotta fix this. Let's see if I can not bust these brake lines off and move them a teeny bit. Okay. Hopefully they don't make any noise. That would be quite irritating. This should just slip right down on here. You want to be careful of your little tabs. They can be brittle, like mine are very brittle. This should be 7/16, that's what they are in here. Alrighty everyone, for right now we're just going to fill it with straight water. Hopefully I don't get y'all with the camera or the Jose. Hey now, brother. Why you no fill? What the heck? Now riddle me that, ladies and gents. What's going on here? Am I insane? Dude? What's happening? This must be how you fill it. I don't know what's going on, everybody. What the heck? Now I know if that lid came off there, it'd be gone, boy. That thing would slide down and be... you'd never see that thing again. It's okay. It don't matter if it gets a little wet. I don't think it works. Which... I don't know why it wouldn't work. Everything is connected. I don't think there's any fuses that are blown. Quite know why. Full of water. You know what you may have to do? I wonder if you have to purge the system first. So I just pulled it off and a bunch of water came out. Which you probably should do because it probably airlocks. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I just didn't even mean to, and I just shot goop all over myself. Thankfully, these t-shirts are $2.50. Well, they used to be. Probably $1 million now. Okay. Oh, they work. Look at that. They work. That one's aimed a little wrong, but okay. See if I can make sure y'all can see. Oh, shooting a little high now. We gotta readjust that. Well, I actually don't mind if it shoots a little high. Not that high though. Boy, that thing's got some. That's got some pressure to it. Wow. Just slightly down a teeny bit. serious pressure. I think you can actually adjust it on the firewall maybe, but well, I'll be darned. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that works so good, buddy. Look at that. Boy, these windshield wipers suck, but okay. Ford did the best they could. Alrighty, we'll just show you all how much that used in our little stint there. So you're gonna want to be checking this regularly if you use your washer fluid a lot, because these things do not tread lightly in the water. Just to show you guys a little bit better. There's the power. The pump sits like this and directs the flow down out this tube right here, which is a little tight, which runs up there to that F fitting, goes in that guy there and that guy over there, and then the little thingy I was adjusting and bending is, can you guys see it? Where is it? It is right down in there. You guys can't see it, I'm sorry, but you can adjust where it shoots on the windshield, so that's pretty sweet. It works pretty good, so I'm just gonna keep this thing, I'm gonna fill this back up, and well, that's the video. Cool beans. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, well, hopefully that video was helpful. Really wasn't intended to be a how-to video, but just kind of an install video. My install videos, my normal videos are kind of just like me doing what I'm doing, so I don't mean for it to be a how-to video. I don't really like how-to videos. People tend to rip you apart in the comment section and all that dandy stuff, so this is just me filming what I'm doing, and take it with a grain of salt and at your own risk. Yeah, you gotta say that now, so well, you don't have to say it now, but I like saying it. Anyways, so yeah, pretty happy with that. Don't really got much else to do to the truck. Next thing is we're gonna be trying to fix this high idle issue. Pretty fed up with it, but right now the truck runs and I'm not gonna screw with it. I have a lot of other projects that I got going on, like many, so stick around, maybe you'll see some of them. And other than that, hopefully this video was helpful to somebody and entertaining in some way. Watching me screw around, and I got more water on the ground than I did in the thing. I don't know why that is, because if the top is not airtight, then it can leak as it sloshes around, which in turn could also pop the top off. I don't know. Nevertheless, it works. It wipes. I got new windshield wipers. I'll see if I can find those and put them in the description as well, and some other random things. But other than that, if you enjoyed this video and watching me work on this truck, lots of other videos like it of me working on other random things. Basically, whatever I got going on, I film some of it. I don't film all of it, but I film some of my projects. So other than that, may the Lord bless you and watch over you and guide you in all your ways in this crazy world. Yeah, so peace out. God bless.